Hey everyone, so we're talking about Benchmade and what we carry in Benchmade. Great brand that we love and support here. And so just digging into my pocket of what we carry. Currently right now, I carry a 535 Gray-1. But the cool thing, and this is one of our store ones here, this one, love the handle on it. Definitely love how slim and just nice it fits in the pocket. One of the cool things I did with mine, this isn't actual mine, was I dyed the scales. So I dyed it black. I like the black and gold. This one is mine. This is the one I carry. Love that S30V. The steel is super sharp, keeps an edge. You know, a lot of the times when I open it, because I'm so well equipped with this thumb stud, is people ask me if it's automatic or assisted, and I tell them it's not. I even get people who pull that and think it's just going to pop out, but no. I love the smoothness of that, thinness, and just the carryability that fits full in my hand, which is what I love. And yeah, it's just, this is definitely my favorite Benchmade as of right now. What I used to carry back in about 2008 to about 2009, I was about 19 and I got my first Benchmade. This is the Benchmade 912. It's no longer made and it's discontinued. You can tell it's definitely gotten its use. This is one of my very first knives I got from a family member of mine who gave me my first two knives. This one was real special when he gave it to me when I was 18 or 19. I still have it to this day. D2 blade, which is what I love Benchmade for, originally was their D2 steel. I've cut myself plenty of times with this blade. G10 scales. It's got an assisted opening that's still nice and smooth, snappy, gets right there. My lock has yet to fail. This is way before the Axis lock, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, that is my first Benchmade, and then this is my current Benchmade. You can tell I kind of like black. The next one I will be getting soon, you will see. That one's in the mail. I don't want to say anything just yet, but that one's going to be a nice little customization price for myself as well. And can't wait to show you guys that. Thanks.